In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Manus AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to switch the interface to the language you prefer quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to manus.im/app. Give the page a moment to load. If you're prompted to sign in, that's normal. Just continue so you can access your account. Once you're in the main dashboard, take a second to look around so you're oriented. This helps you recognize the changes once the language updates. Next, head to your profile area at the top right corner of the screen. Depending on your setup, this may appear as your avatar, your initials, or a small profile icon. Click it to open a compact menu. If you're on a smaller screen or a tablet, that same menu may live behind a three-line menu icon. Either way, you're looking for the profile controls in the upper right. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can personalize your experience. Settings is where Manus AI stores account preferences, interface controls, and importantly for today, language options. Waiting for the page to fully load is helpful here since some controls may appear a split second after the main content. Inside Settings, find and click on Language. This section focuses specifically on the language of the app's interface, the menus, buttons, labels, and prompts you see throughout the product. Think of it as the switch that changes the way the app talks to you, not your content itself. Now, select your language from the available list. You might see popular options at the top, or you may need to scroll to find the one you want. Some interfaces include a search field, so if you see one, use it to type the language name for faster results. As soon as you choose a language, most interfaces apply the change immediately. If the update looks partial, give it a couple of seconds or navigate to a different page within the app to confirm everything refreshed. In rare cases, a quick browser refresh can help finalize the display, but you typically won't need to save anything. Your choice is stored automatically. That's all there is to it. You've gone to Manus AI, opened your profile, entered settings, navigated to language, and picked the language you want. If you ever need to switch back, just follow these same steps. Enjoy a more comfortable, familiar interface in the language that works best for you.